Yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy Big E back with another one, and today I'm showing you guys something that I've never showed you before. And don't think anything weird, because it's not like that. But it's something that has not been featured on the channel before. And with that, Bob, do your thing, Bob. Do your job. And we are back with one of my favorite brands, and that is the Ice Giants. The Ice Giant, guys, they made this amazing pendant for me right here, which I absolutely love. This thing has gotten a lot of love online, a lot of love from the community. I love it. I get so many compliments on it. This thing just hits hard and is a prized possession. So, guys, what did I get? I got some Grillz, guys. This is my first pair of Grillz that I've ever had in my entire life. And when I was getting the Grillz, when I was like thinking about it, I was like, yo, is this gonna look weird? Am I like a grill dude? Am I gonna be able to talk with Grillz on? And honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I opened these things up. I had to open them up. I've never had Grillz before. I couldn't just live unbox it and not know what the hell was going on, if I'd be talking all weird or drooling on my face or whatever it was. So I tried them on, and I've worn them a couple times. And these things are cold.
It's freaking freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
Like when I tell you guys, these things dance. And Ice Giant was amazing through the entire process. I did the molds, which there is a very specific and correct way you need to do it to get the best possible results. But I made my molds. I sent the molds back out. Ice Giant communicated with me the entire time. And we went and customized. They customized a set of Grillz for your boy Big E. It wasn't just any old, Grillz that they have up on the site, although they have a huge selection of Grillz up on the site. They have hundreds of Grillz up there. They're definitely a dope place to go and get some Grillz if you want to get yourself a pair of Grillz. Let us open up this box and take a look at these Grillz, because they are something to look at. And honestly, also, guys, I'm going to get to diamond test my mouth. I've always wanted to do that.
Okay.
So here we go, guys. Listen, this is not the normal presentation because I opened them, but here we go, guys. Check these things out. So I have them on the tooth molds here, and let's kind of put them over here so I can kind of show you guys what these things look like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at these things. These Grillz are moissanite with huge stones on them. You got some big ass baguettes. They have this beautiful, beautiful setting, and the fangs, guys, are gold. The fangs are gold, and these things are just crazy, absolutely crazy. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to be right back. And the next time you see me, Big E's going to have some Grillz in. So get your popcorn, get a nice soda, get some sparkling water, get a beer, get whatever it is, and get ready, because your boy's about to have some Grillz in. And you know what, guys? I'm going to put my grill voice on too, because I got a grill voice that you guys don't even know about. Be right back.
Okay, everyone. Big E is going to start to sound funny with his new Grillz in. Bear with us.
A few moments later.
We are back, and look at your boy E. Look at these Grillz, guys. These things are crazy. Look at that. I know this might be a shell shock to some of you guys, because I don't think any of you guys ever planned on seeing Big E with Grillz, but I like Grillz now. Grillz are my thing. I might just be wearing Grillz all the time. All right, guys, so here is what I have always wanted to do. And I want to stick the diamond tester in my mouth. And I don't know, because I'm not going to be able to see anything. So I don't know if I hit the wrong tooth. I hope I don't stab myself in the gum. But your boy is about to diamond test his mouth.
Sensational. That's the word you're looking for.
Exactly.
Yeah, sensational.
Yeah, look at these Grillz right here, guys. Look at that. I don't want to make a crazy grill face, but you know what? I'm going to make a crazy grill face. Oh, Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go, guys. We're ready. All right. I can't see. Oh, shit. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Ow, that hurt. Hang on. There we go. I got it. Diamond E. Our diamond boy right here. Look at that. Damn, guys. Big E has entered the grill game. And I entered the grill game and I kicked the freaking door down with these grills. The only thing with grills, guys, is that when you wear grills, if you smoke or if you vape or if you do anything like that, you really can't do that with the grills because it will damage the grills. So you cannot do that. When Ice Giant sends you the grills, they send you the actual molds of your teeth. These are my teeth, guys. These are my teeth. So you got your tops and you got your bottoms. So basically when you take these things out, I just put them back on here and then I have a little travel case and I put them in there and I always keep them in a plastic bag because you don't want them hitting on other stuff. And this is something you put in your mouth. So you want to be hygienic with it. Now let me show you guys a different look. I'm going to pull out the tops right now and just show you guys the bottom. Now, if I'm talking, it just looks like I'm talking normally, but you have that subtle right here that comes through. So you can kind of have the best of both worlds and you just got these bottoms here, like that. And you know, if you're just talking normally, they're just creeping through. It's kind of like that, the neck profile of wearing grills. You just leave those bottoms in, but the fitment is absolutely on point, perfect. Like, it is so crazy. And the cool thing with Ice Giant is once you get your first mold done, they keep your molds on file. So when you want to order more grills or get whatever it may be, they have that on file and you can just be getting grills to your heart's content. But that being said, guys, I love these things. I really do. I really love these things. And between you and me, I already got another pair on order and these things are gonna blow your socks off. I mean, these things are nuts. Ice Giant and I are working on a lot of projects together. Definitely shout out to the people at Ice Giant. They just celebrated their 6-year anniversary. They're going strong. They're hustling hard. They're doing their thing, and I respect them. I don't, you guys want them to weigh them? We don't really need to weigh them. I mean, they're grown. You know what? Actually, maybe we will weigh them. Hang on. All right, guys. The mold itself weighs 23.8 grams. Let's zero this back out and now let's drop on the bottoms. 10 grams on the bottoms, guys. And let's put the top mold on. We're going to put it on upside down. So the top mold is 19. Let's zero that out. And now let's place these on here. That does not make any sense. Oh, yes, it does. All right, so 13 over there. And now let's put the bottoms on. 24 grams, guys. That's not bad. I don't know what grills are supposed to weigh, but I think that's probably normal. And guys, the construction on these things are fire. You got your IGT 925 stamping on here and the same on this side here. And guys, overall, just beautiful grills. I'm going to pop them back in. So we diamond tested it. It passed with flying colors. We weighed it so you guys can see how much it weighed. And now the only thing left to do is rate it. And guys, on a scale of nope to dope, these grills, I've never done this before. Maybe I'm in a little shock. I can't believe I'm going to say this. These grills are getting a 9.2. And guys, that's not overall, but in the grill space. In the grill space, just for what this is, for what this product is, this is a 9.2. This thing is absolutely crazy. The fitments, the quality of the work, the setting of the stones, the overall just process with these grills, top to bottom, has been upside down. And what, guys, if you can see just from looking at them, these things are just fire. So I'm giving the Ice Giant grills a 9.2. Congratulations, Ice Giant. But guys, this is just a beautiful, beautiful thing. And like I said in some of my previous videos, Big E is working on a new rating system. I think we got to go into a little more detail and give you guys about 7 to 10 categories that I'm working on so we can create a catalog and basically show you guys in a very in-depth way where the ratings are actually coming from so I can give you guys a clearer picture. So I'm always trying to improve here. I'm always trying to do the best I can for you guys and go as in-depth as possible. So with that being said, guys, this has been the review of the Ice Giant custom grills for Big E. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys have grills. Let me know if you guys want to try grills on. I'm going to open myself up for this one. But let me guys know if you just think I look stupid. Maybe you do, but I don't care because I like these things. But, you know, it's always funny to kind of troll someone a little bit. I could take a joke, and if I can't take a joke, then I'll just block you, so it doesn't matter anyway. But anyway, guys, that's been it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. And with that, this has been your boy Big E, and I am House. Peace.